Welcome to today's podcast. We're discussing CVE 2025-42999, a critical deserialization vulnerability in SAP NetWeaver Visual Composer Metadata Uploader. First published on May 13th, 2025, it was updated through July 30th. A working exploit has been released by VX Underground and can be chained with CVE 2025-31324 to bypass authentication and achieve remote code execution, putting SAP systems and sensitive data at high risk. The vulnerability affects SAP SE's NetWeaver Visual Composer development server, specifically the VCE framework 7.50 component. Visual Composer is used to model and deploy applications graphically on the SAP NetWeaver platform. The metadata uploader handles serialized content uploads from privileged users during development and deployment processes. CVE 2025-42999 is categorized under CVE 502 Deserialization of untrusted data. This class of vulnerability arises when an application deserializes data from untrusted sources without sufficient validation, allowing attackers to craft malicious payloads that execute arbitrary code or manipulate application logic during deserialization. In SAP NetWeaver Visual Composer Metadata Uploader, a privileged user can upload malicious serialized content. The uploader deserializes that content without proper controls, enabling arbitrary code execution or manipulation of system state. Attackers can chain this flaw with CVE 2025-31324 to bypass authentication controls and gain full remote code execution on the host. A public exploit from VX Underground demonstrates how an attacker can compromise confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the SAP server, leading to data theft, service disruption, or full system takeover. SAP has issued Security Note 3604119. Customers who applied Note 3594142 must apply 3604119 as well. To mitigate CVE 2025-42999, immediately implement SAP Security Note 3604119 and ensure your VC framework 7.50 instances are updated. Review user privileges and limit high-risk upload capabilities. Monitor NetWeaver logs for suspicious deserialization attempts and consider additional network segmentation to isolate development servers. Staying current with SAP notes and best practices is essential to protect your critical infrastructure.